If you really want to make money and you are doing these top side hustles, stop it. I have shortlisted 10 super popular money making ideas that you should avoid like a trap. Starting from number 10, NFT flipping. 2021 hype is dead. No one is paying thousands for your pixel arts anymore. If you are buying, you are just buying some cartoon junks. Market crash, scams are everywhere, and most NFTs lost 90% of their value, so forget it. Number 9, buying guru courses on how to get rich. See, I have seen many people buying these guru courses on how to get rich, yet no one is rich. They just share some common sense with background music, nothing else. You are paying for temporary motivation, no results, so back it up. Number 8, low skill freelancing, doing subtitles, captions, data entry, cheap logos. See, this thing is over. AI has taken over it. ChatGPT, Canva, Descript, and other thousands of AI tools. No one is gonna pay you thousands for data entry or subtitles. I mean, think about it. Number 7, generic YouTube channels. Becoming a successful YouTuber is something extraordinary. I mean, even for me, it's a dream. So if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, nowadays algorithm favors originality, not clones. Without personality, storytelling, or unique value, you will get lost in the noise. Don't make content like motivational quotes, fact pages, or random did you know videos. See, this used to work years ago when internet wasn't flooded that much. Now it's quality over quantity. Number 6, crypto trading. I know something big I'm talking about right now, right? Call it crypto or forex trading or stock market. Unless you are a pro, you have years of experience in it, you won't be watching my videos, obviously. If you are new to this and thinking you will make millions in 2 or 3 years, that's not gonna happen simply. It takes years, I mean lots of years to master trading. Investing pennies and expecting millions, I mean that's gambling, not trading. Number 5, print on demand. Mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, etc. Everyone thinks selling is cool and easy, but in reality, unless you already have an audience, I'm talking about big numbers here, or a strong niche branding, no one is gonna buy your cute printed t-shirts and mugs and all. Market is full of lazy Canva designs. Profit margins are tiny. You spend more on ads than you make. Number 4, affiliate marketing. People think slapping random Amazon links on Instagram will make them millions. That's not how it works. For affiliate marketing to work, you need big audience and most important, trust. I mean, why would someone click on your random Amazon links person they don't even know exists? And commissions are tiny, 2 to 5%, so you need massive traffic to earn anything. Beginners waste months spamming links instead of building actual traffic source. Number 3, network marketing. Still alive in 2025? Can't blame it. Network marketing rely on endless recruiting, not real product sales. You don't earn from selling actual value, you earn by dragging more people in. I mean, you can make money only if you can scam your friends or family. I'm just kidding, don't do it. Number 2, creating low quality mobile apps. Google Play Store and App Store have millions of apps. Unless your app is unique, well designed, it solves a real problem, and without proper marketing, it will disappear like air. So finally, at first place we have dropshipping. Google dropshipping and you will get thousands of videos. Dropshipping blew up between 2015 to 2020. I mean, during that time, dropshipping was a good option. But now every beginner on YouTube and TikTok tries it. Competition is insane. Your trending product is being sold by thousands of others with the same exact ad copy. Ad costs are way higher than your profit margin. Shipping takes weeks, customer complaints, product returns, and whatnot. The only one is getting rich here are people selling courses how to dropship. So there you have it, 10 online money making ideas that you should never touch. However, there are exceptions I mentioned in video. And if you are serious about earning online, focus on real skills, solving actual problems, and building long-term value. If you want me to make a video on the real legit ways to make online money, not these scams or traps, just drop a comment down below and let me know. And thanks for watching.